Hi, my name is Jean Keppler. I'm a sen- Hi, I'm Jean Keppler. I'm a senior star with Young Living, and any of you all that know me know that I love doing DIYs, and I also like hacks that actually will save you some money and can extend a product um, more than just one single tube or bottle or whatever. So today I'm going to try a recipe that I got. I'm actually combining two different recipes for the sunscreen spray. Now, Young Living has a 50 SPF mineral sunscreen lotion, has no bad chemicals, no toxins in it at all, safe to use on everybody, your kids, you, everybody. And you can use this just directly on, but as you're going to see, it's very, very, very thick. And so the recipes that I have actually thin it down enough so that you can get it to come out of a spray bottle or a pump bottle. I haven't exactly decided which one I'm going to use yet. I have both. Um, but I'm going to share this as I go along and make it while you're watching. So what I'm going to do, because I want to be able to get every last little bit of goodness out of this tube, I'm going to cut off the end and then I'm going to squeeze it in my little Pampered Chef mixing bowl here. And I'm going to use the whole tube. Let me get in here with my little spatula and make sure that I'm getting everything out. As you can see, it is thick, thick, thick. But this is really good. Since I started using this, I have not had any problems with burns. And we all know that we want to preserve our skin and not risk getting skin cancers or whatever, skin damage from too much sun. And so there's still a little more in here. I'm going to get every last little bit out. The two recipes I got, one I got off of First Drop, and the other one I got from Nicole Reese, who's one of my cross lines and a friend. Um, so, like I said, I'm combining two different recipes because the one I got off of First Drop actually had some extra goodies in it that I thought would be good for your skin. So I figured why not? And they were things I had on hand. So I think that's good enough. I think we're good. I'm going to actually save that label and um, put it on my bottle, whichever one I decide to use when I get ready to use it. So next thing I'm going to use is some jojoba oil. I'm going to dump this in here. It's probably about, I'm not measuring, probably a good half, 3/4 cup. And I'm going to try and mix that up. I don't know if you can see this, but you can see that it's starting to thin some. So I'm going to mix that up. Jojoba oil is also very good and healthy for your skin. Has a lot of nourishing, it's very nourishing for your skin. And I want to make sure I get all this mixed in here. You can use fractionated coconut oil if you like, as well. I happen to have jojoba oil, and I thought that that would be a little bit better for your skin. Um, but I do have that if you're interested. I'm also going to add 2 ounces of cold pressed red raspberry seed oil. Um, And I'm going to measure this. I may not have 2 ounces, but we'll see. Let me see what this bottle says actually. This is 1 fluid ounce, so that'll be fine. I'll use all that. I got that for something else. I don't even remember what I got it for. We'll stir that up. And the other recipe that I got off of First Drop actually suggested that you use some carrot seed oil, not the essential oil that comes from Young Living, but actual carrot seed oil. You can get it on Amazon, and it also has the raspberry seed oil, I believe, and the carrot seed oil also have some SPF protection in them, so I figured they would be really good to both go in here, but I didn't have any carrot seeds, so we're gonna just go with the flow. Then the recipe then calls for, wait a minute, let me clean my hands off a little bit. 20 drops of lavender, which we know is awesome for your skin. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 20. A video. And then it also asks that you put in 20, my hands are greasy. Can you open that, please? 20 drops of myrrh, which is actually very good for your skin. One, two, three. Okay, and let me see, it says mix in a bowl before pouring into sprayer. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty liquidy, and the video I actually saw, because I'm one of those skeptical people, I wanted to see it come out of the sprayer, and I'll show you the sprayer I have. It's one of these, I think they're called a flare sol continuous sprayer. I've actually used these to make room fresheners, and I was a little bit concerned because the hole where the spray comes out is kind of small. You just pump it, but in the video I saw, it flowed very nicely, so I'm going to keep mixing this up a little bit more. And Nicole shook hers up really heartily, but it seems to be mixing up pretty good. I don't think I'm obsessive enough to use a mixer. Let me see. And that should be good. And this, it seems pretty liquidy. So let's see what we got. I'm going to put it in this bottle. I may switch it to I have a pump bottle also that I got from Amazon. I think I'm going to try the spray bottle. Oh yeah, I forgot one important thing. Oh, I almost forgot. In here, I'm going to put a half a bottle of Clariderm. Clariderm is another Young Living product, and it is awesome for your skin. You can use Lavaderm if you have that, but I chose the Clariderm because it had things that I thought were more beneficial for using in a skin protectant versus the Lavaderm, which is awesome for using after sun if you have gotten a little burned or a little too much sun. It's very refreshing and very cooling, but that looks awesome. My husband, who is standing behind me, is infamous for not putting on suntan lotion and then getting a burn, and then we have to, you know, take care of that. So this year, hopefully, with us having this all ready for the summer and pre-made, we won't be having any of those issues. All right, so I am done. I almost forgot that Clariderm and I would have been upset. Pours into the bottle. Hopefully I won't make too big of a mess. Maybe I should have, I was gonna say maybe I should have used a funnel, but let's see. It's going in. Oh. There's still a couple pieces that are chunky, but when I shake this up, I'm hoping those will blend in. So I still have a little bit in the jar. I'll get that later, but I kind of want to shake it up and see how it's going to do. All right. Now for the test. It's actually very nice feeling. Let's see if it sprays. Oh, I think it's getting ready to come out. Here it goes. Perfect. So, that's my little recipe. I'll be happy to post it underneath this video if you would like, and I can, if I remember how to do it, I'll put links regarding where to get the various supplies. But I think you're going to like it, and if you have any questions, message me and I'll be happy to answer. Y'all have a good day and stay sunburn free.